Hey guys, this is Prince Medic. It has been a while since I posted last, and several people have contacted me asking me to make a video for the upcoming JAMB bites. JAMB is around the corner, and I've not really been able to make videos as of late because of my postings. You can see me putting on my scrub and face mask. I just came out of the theater where I observed and assisted. So because of the tedious nature of the level I am currently, I've not been able to keep up with the demands. I'll try to make this video as short as possible. In this video, I will be telling you what you're going to do to increase your chances of doing very well in this case JAMB, and answer a few questions people asked me, JAMBites asked me in time past. Since JAMB is around the corner, you don't have time to start reading in details, trying to finish chapter upon chapters. What you should be going for now is salient points. Your past question should be your best friend as of now. Try to go through past questions as much as you can. During my own time, I think I went through 10 to 15 past years. For example, in 2024, you can decide to go through past questions from 2010 up until now. It will go a long way. I advise this, it's very, very important because it prepares you mentally, especially for the first time JAMB bites, what you're going to expect that day. Then, if there are textbooks you can get that are just focused on salient important points, like I heard LAMLAD is good. I never used it, but I've been hearing of LAMLAD as of late. You can go through it. I used Essentials in Physics for my physics. Solving past questions, because they will give you examples and then give you questions, JAMB and wire questions. You practice and practice. This is not the time to start trying to read textbook page to page. Just go for the salient points. If you have a jotter, this is the right time to start going through your jotter. If you don't have and you have a friend who already jotted down things, this is the best time to start going through it. As much as you can, go through things in your jotter, your underlined points in your textbook, past questions. It can never be overemphasized. So that's for that. I had to cut the video because someone just came in and was looking for something, so the noise was much. I had to cut the video. Okay, I'm going to answer a few questions people asked me in recent times. A boy was complaining, sent me a message complaining bitterly of how he's lacking motivation to read. He wakes up in the morning deciding to read. By the end of the day, he finds out he didn't accomplish much because of distractions and lack of motivation. This is for everybody lacking motivation. In case you're lacking motivation, so sorry about that. You can see I'm in the theater. There isn't the other theater. I came out from the other theater to record this video for you people. Okay. In case you're lacking motivation to prepare for your JAMB, this part is for you. One of the things I do when I'm lacking motivation is, when the passion is not there to study, the night before, let's say I want to study today, the night before I go to sleep, I draft out the topics I'm going to cover, reasonable topics, not you tell yourself I'm going to cover 20 topics today. You know that's not practical. Then decide to cover 3 topics or go through your jottings for 3 topics. Then you sleep, you wake up the next day. What that does to you, I'm saying from experience, by the time I'm waking up, I really have in mind what I'm going to do for that day, not waking up and thinking about what I'm going to do. It mentally prepares you. By the time you now wake up, you know what you're going to do straight. You go straight to that and start going through those topics. And in addition to this, I might tell myself, there are 24 hours in a day, I might tell myself, for the next 3 hours, I'm going to concentrate and read. After 3 hours, I'm taking a break to do something else, probably come online, reply some messages, watch a video. I like comedy videos, it's one of my best pastimes. So I watch a comedy video or comedy videos, depending. I might give myself 30 minutes break, depending. And after 30 minutes, I come back, read for another 3 hours. What that does is that it programs your mind that at the end of 3 hours, you are rewarding yourself. Some people, it's watching videos just like I do, some chocolate, something else, just like a reward for yourself for concentrating for 3 hours. By the time you do 3 hours, a couple of times, you find out you have read for 15 hours. So I did a video some time back concerning how I read, but I think the video quality was not really nice. I didn't delete, but I prevented everybody from watching it. There is something called unlist. I unlisted it. Another question I was asked was about English language. I did a video on essay writing. You can go through my YouTube page. You're going to see that, particularly on English. The student was asking me about how to better read English comprehensions and answer the questions effectively. I'll say this based on my own experience and method of writing. I've used this method. I use this method in JAMB, in WAEC. One of the things I do when I'm faced with a comprehension, some people will tell you to read the comprehension and come to the questions. What I do personally is I quickly scan the questions. I'm not spending time because remember, you're time bound. Your time is going. I quickly peruse the questions. Have in mind what the questions are like. Then skim through the comprehension with the mindset of finding the answers to the questions. As I'm doing that, I'm answering. Another method is to quickly scan through the comprehension. It's something you have to train yourself before you actually write the JAMB. You might time yourself to read comprehensions within under 1 minute, scanning through and trying to answer the question. It's practice. But if you really have a method that works for you, stick to that method. So that's it for now. I think the video is getting too long. You can see I'm currently still in the theater. I had to leave the other one, like I said. So I have to go back and join them. I think another patient is booked for surgery. And if you care to know, I'm currently in obstetrics and gynecology. We just finished an operation of a ruptured uterus. So we are going for another one now for delivery, CS, cesarean section. So if you have any question, feel free to contact me in the comment section. And if there is anything you have to say or tell me, I'll be glad to hear from you guys. That's been a while. So, bye. I'll see you guys later. And if you want me to do a video concerning something, probably concerning JAMB or something, feel free to let me know. Go through my YouTube page. You see the previous videos I've done on JAMB. 10 most repeated topics in chemistry, 10 most repeated topics in biology, in physics, and even my post-UTME series and WAEC series as well. And subsequently, I hope to drop videos more often. I'll see you guys later. Bye!